Welcome to the third class on carbohydrate metabolism. Previous class we have already discussed about Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. This class basically on combine, that means the second step, oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA and the total ATP production. Firstly, look at the salient features of oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Here the substrate is pyruvate, which comes from the glycolysis, the previous process. The product is acetyl CoA. Here the site of this process, wall cells and tissue, and the compartment is mitochondria. Now the nature of this process is catabolic. That means it also mobilizes the body energies. Now the rate limiting enzyme is pyruvate dehydrogenase, and the coenzyme needed for rate limiting enzyme is TPP, NAD, FAD and coenzyme lipoic acid ATC. Here the ATP production total is 6, and this is a specialty of this process is that it is the central step for linking with glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Last, the regulation. The regulation is formed by the ATP, NADH, acetyl CoA, inhibit VHT, and insulin, NAD, ADP, and stimulated VHT. Now, look at the reaction of this process. Just one reaction goes to the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA by the citrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here the NADH is produced and one carbon dioxide is produced. So this is the end of second step, oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Now I am going to discuss the total ATP production in complete oxidation of 1 mole glucose in case of aerobic state. Here I come to know you to capture the whole of production just few seconds, within few seconds at a short risk. That means from the glycolysis we got the production PAN, and the oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA we got the production CAN, and the Krebs cycle we got the production GF-cano9. Here the PAN along with 2, CAN along with 2, and GF along with 2, and Cano along with 4, 6 along with N. In glycolysis, 2P means to pyruvate, 2A means to ATP, 2N means to NADH2. So look at the exchange of ATP. Here 2 ATP directly from 2 ATP, from 2 NADH we got 6 ATP. So the number of total ATP in glycolysis 8. Next step, oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Here the 2C means to carbon dioxide, 2A means to acetyl CoA, 2N means to NADH2. Look at the ATP exchange. Here 2 NADH2 equals 6 ATP. So total ATP in this step 6. Last, the Krebs cycle. Here the 2G means 2 GTP, and the 2F means 2 FADH2, and the 4C means 4 carbon dioxide, and the 6N means 6 NADH2. In this case, ATP exchange goes to 2 GTP equals to 2 ATP, 2 FADH equal to 4 ATP, and 6 NADH2 equal to 18 ATP. So the total ATP production in Krebs cycle goes to 24. Now count the total ATP production in aerobic state. Okay, 8 6 plus 20 equals to 38. So this is the whole of ATP production in aerobic state. So count me and hear me with the tricks. Just 5 seconds. Pan, can, GF, canonai. While along with 2, just canonai 4, 6. Thank you.